Michael and Eddie are at the beach enjoying their semester break. "Oh, the weather is so hot, Michael," says Eddie. "I wish I had something to drink." "It's your fault, Eddie," complains Michael. "You left the mineral water bottles on the bus. Now I'm dying of thirst." "Why don't we just drink the seawater?" Michael says excitedly. "There's plenty of seawater here." Eddie replies, "Michael, we can't drink seawater because it contains too many impurities. It's not suitable for drinking." Michael asks, "Impurities? Does it mean the salt in seawater is an impurity?" Eddie explains, "You're right. The salt in seawater is an impurity. Salt causes the water to taste salty. Besides, some other properties of the water are also changed by the presence of the impurities, such as the melting of ice and boiling points of water." "Can we test the melting point of ice and the boiling point of seawater?" Michael asks. "Well, in the lab, the melting point of ice can be tested by measuring the temperature of melting ice cubes. The temperature that remains constant between 4 and 8 minutes is the melting point of ice. You will find that the melting point of ice with impurities is lower than 0 degrees Celsius. To measure the boiling point of seawater, just heat it inside a flat-bottomed flask by using a Bunsen burner. Then record the temperature of the water at 2-minute intervals. The temperature that remains constant between 4 and 8 minutes is the boiling point of seawater. You will find that the boiling point for water with impurities is over 100 degrees Celsius. "Eddie, now I know how to measure the melting point of ice and the boiling point of water. Why don't we just take a sample of seawater and test it in the lab?" says Michael excitedly. "Why not? That would be interesting," says Eddie.